Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an excellent mutton recipe, mutton roast. If you want to make something different other than your usual mutton curry, try this one. You are going to love this. You can serve it if you have some guests at home. It's a kind of spicy dish. So let's see how to make this spicy mutton dry roast. You can quickly see the list of ingredients here. Here I have 750 grams of cleaned mutton pieces. First I am going to marinate these mutton pieces with some masala, adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, two teaspoons of chilli powder, two teaspoons of coriander powder, one tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and some salt. Mixing it well. So marinated mutton pieces are ready. I am transferring this into a pan. Pouring 1 cup of water. Cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. You can even use pressure cooker to cook mutton pieces. Make sure that you are not overcooking this one. Here I am preparing dry mutton roast. If you want to make a mutton roast with a thick gravy, you can switch off the flame right now. But I am leaving this to cook a little bit more. Mutton pieces cooked well, switching off the flame. Now I am going to roast it. Heat a pan. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. If you have coconut oil, that will be better. Here I have sliced onions, thinly sliced ginger, garlic, green chilies, and some curry leaves. Oil is hot enough, dropping these green chilies, ginger and garlic. Sauteing it for 2 minutes until its raw flavor and smell completely go away. Its color turned into slightly golden in color, adding sliced onions. When the onions become soft, we can add cooked mutton. Adding little bit of salt. let's add these mutton pieces along with its gravy. Check salt at this time. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, giving it a good mix. If you feel that pepper powder is going to make it too spicy, you can reduce the quantity of pepper powder, but do not skip this completely. Covering this with a lid and cook this for another 2 minutes in very low flame. So our spicy mutton dry roast is ready to serve. It tastes so delicious. Hope you liked today's video. If you like it, do not forget to click the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you are a new visitor. So until next time, bye bye.